today? I'm sharing my honest review of ConvertKit, now known as Kit, after using it for 30 days in 2025, especially for beginners or creators thinking of switching. I'll walk you through the key features, show you how it looks inside, and give you the pros and cons. Let's dive in. When you first log in, the Kit dashboard is clean, creator focused, and not overwhelming. You'll find tabs like Grow for subscribers and forms, Send for broadcasts and sequences, Automate for visual automations. Everything is built around email, not flashy, just functional. Click Send, then tap Broadcast to create a one-time email. You can either write in plain text or use your new visual editor. Templates are minimalist by design, great for personal brands, not ideal if you want fancy graphics. Preview on mobile or desktop, then schedule or send. It's that easy. Under Grow, you can create form or landing pages to collect emails. Tags and segments help you organize subscribers by interest, behavior, or funnel stage. They also give you link in bio pages and integrations with platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, and WordPress. Now, the best part is automations. Use the visual builder to set up sequences like new subscriber welcome flows, product pitches, freebie delivery. It's powerful but simple, perfect for creators who don't want to get technical. Kit's free plan gives you up to 10,000 subscribers and unlimited forms and broadcast. But if you want automations or integrations, you'll need creator plans starting at $25 per month. After 30 days, I'd say Kit is ideal for creators, coaches, or small digital businesses. If you want simplicity and email-focused tools without the fluff, this is a solid choice. And that's my honest Kit review after 30 days.